Prevention through Design (PTD) in Management of Occupational Noise Exposure. PTD may begin at the design stage of the process, material selection, equipment, machinery, or tool. The 7 levels in the hierarchy of controls that are described in the 1st through 4th levels are more effective because they are preventive actions that eliminate or reduce risk substitution, engineering control, and design or redesign equipment, rely the least on the human behavior, the performance of a personnel, are less defeatable by unit managers, supervisors, or workers. Actions described in the 5th, 6th, and 7th levels are contingent actions and rely greatly on the performance of a personnel for their effectiveness. Inherently, they are less reliable. Substitution of process. Change from impact action. Example, hammering a metal bar, to progressive pressure action. Example, bending metal bar with pliers. Engineering control. Reduction mechanical shock between parts. Using an adjustable height collector for parts falling into a bin so that the impact speed is reduced and thus reduction of radiated noise. Use an adjustable height conveyor and rubber flaps to minimize the fall height of the parts. When a hard material falls from a high drop free fall height onto a solid surface, such as a hopper, causes a louder knocking noise compared to a short drop free fall height. By reducing the free fall height and lining a hopper with an impact absorbing or damping material helps to reduce the knocking noise. Reduction of noise resulting from the vibration of large structures, plates, beams, etc. Use of a mesh protective cover for a flywheel instead of a solid metal cover. Design or redesign. Redesign by isolating the vibration source from the noise radiating structure by physically separating them. Reduction of noise resulting from fluid flow by increasing the distance between the regulator and the fan to reduce turbulence. Installation of fans in smooth airflow's location to reduce aerodynamic noise. Reduction of noise resulting from fluid flow. Reduction of vibration transmission from piping systems. High-frequency noise. High-frequency noise travels directly from high-speed riveting machine to the worker's ears. Put safety glass and hood with sound-absorbing material. Low-frequency noise. Compressor and the diesel engines inside them both may produce strong low-frequency noise, even if the area is provided with effective mufflers at the intake and exhaust. A complete enclosure of damped material lined with sound absorbent will help. The air and exhaust gases must pass through mufflers, which are partly made of channels with sound-absorbing walls. Doors for inspection must close tightly. Barriers are ineffective in a highly reverberant environment. The performance of an indoor barrier is always improved by hanging absorptive baffles from the ceiling or by placing sound-absorbing material directly on the ceiling. Noise paths found in a workplace. The quiet area is subjected to reflected noise from a machine somewhere else in the building. The correct use of absorption in the roof will reduce the reflected noise reaching the quiet area. Segregation of the noisy operation will benefit the whole workplace. Prevention through Design (PTD) in Management of Occupational Noise Exposure can help increase work quality and environment. Go to work in a healthy state. Work in healthy conditions. Return from work in a healthy state. Live healthy with family.